Healthiers. Welcome to our channel. Ready to be 1% better? We all know that juggling work or school can make healthy eating a challenge. Grabbing fast food or unhealthy snacks might seem like the easiest option, but trust me, it's possible to eat well even when time is tight. Today, I'm sharing 3 incredible lunch recipes that are healthy, delicious, and easy to prep ahead of time so you can grab and go. Say goodbye to boring, bland lunches and hello to flavorful, nutritious meals that will fuel your day. Let's get started, and remember, let's be just 1% healthier every day. Recipe 1. Colorful salad with grilled chicken and yogurt dressing. This salad is a burst of color and flavor. Super easy to prepare and packed with nutrients, it's the perfect choice for a light and refreshing lunch. Grilled chicken offers lean protein, while the leafy greens and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And the special touch? A creamy yogurt dressing that's a much healthier alternative to store-bought options. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed greens, lettuce, arugula, spinach. Tip: mix up your greens for a variety of nutrients and textures. 1 grilled chicken breast, chopped. Tip: season your chicken ahead of time for even more flavor. Try using fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. Half a cup cherry tomatoes, halved. A 1/4 cup chopped cucumber. A 1/4 cup grated carrots. 2 tablespoons cooked corn. Tip: use fresh or frozen corn, avoid canned corn, which is high in sodium. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. Yogurt dressing. Half a cup plain non-fat yogurt. 1 teaspoon mustard. Tip: experiment with different types of mustard like Dijon or honey mustard. 1 teaspoon honey. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. In a glass container with a lid, layer the greens on the bottom. 2. Add the chopped grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, and corn. Tip: feel free to add other veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, or cauliflower. 3. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 4. Prepare the yogurt dressing by combining all ingredients in a small container. Mix well until smooth. Tip: if you want a creamier dressing, add a little olive oil to the yogurt. 5. Take the salad and dressing separately to work or school and mix just before eating. Tip: keep the salad refrigerated until lunchtime to ensure freshness. This vibrant salad is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with lean protein from the grilled chicken, it keeps you feeling full and energized. The variety of colorful vegetables provides a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting everything from immune function to digestive health. The yogurt dressing adds a creamy texture and a boost of probiotics for gut health, all while being a lighter alternative to traditional dressings. This salad is a delicious and refreshing way to nourish your body and stay satisfied throughout your busy day. Recipe 2. Tuna wrap with fresh veggies. For those who love convenience, the tuna wrap is a perfect choice. Quick to make, it's a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids thanks to the tuna. The whole wheat tortilla provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, and the fresh veggies round out the meal with vitamins and minerals. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat tortilla. Tip: try wraps with different flavors like spinach or beetroot. 1 can tuna in water, drained and flaked with a fork. Tip: opt for tuna packed in water, which is healthier than tuna packed in oil. 2 tablespoons light mayonnaise. Tip: if you prefer, substitute mayonnaise with ricotta cheese or Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon chopped red onion. Half a cup mixed greens. 1/2 chopped tomato. 1/4 chopped cucumber. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. In a bowl, combine the tuna, mayonnaise, onion, salt, and pepper. 2. Spread this mixture evenly over the tortilla. 3. Add the mixed greens, tomato, and cucumber. Tip: get creative and add other veggies you enjoy, like shredded carrots or sliced bell peppers. 4. Carefully roll up the tortilla to form a wrap. Tip: to prevent the wrap from unrolling, you can use toothpicks to secure it. 5. Cut in half and wrap in aluminum foil or plastic wrap. Tip: Prepare the wrap the night before and store it in the refrigerator for an even quicker lunch option. This convenient wrap is a fantastic source of lean protein and healthy fats, thanks to the tuna. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it supports heart and brain health. The whole wheat tortilla provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while the fresh vegetables contribute essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This wrap is a quick and easy way to enjoy a balanced and satisfying meal on the go, keeping you fueled and focused throughout the afternoon. Recipe 3. Quinoa with sautéed vegetables and chickpeas. A burst of flavors and textures. Quinoa, a grain packed with protein and fiber, joins forces with sautéed vegetables and chickpeas to create a complete, nutritious, and delicious meal. This recipe is ideal for those looking for a vegetarian option rich in plant-based protein and fiber, which promotes satiety and healthy digestion. Ingredients: half a cup cooked quinoa. Tip: cook the quinoa ahead of time to speed up lunch prep. Half a cup chopped broccoli. Half a cup chopped carrots. A quarter cup chopped onion. Half a cup cooked chickpeas. Tip: soak the chickpeas in water for 8 hours before cooking to aid digestion. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Salt, pepper, and paprika to taste. Preparation: 1. In a pan, heat the olive oil and sauté the onion until translucent. 2. Add the broccoli, carrots, and chickpeas, and sauté for a few more minutes. Tip: if you prefer softer veggies, steam them before sautéing. 3. Season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Tip: experiment with adding other spices like cumin, curry powder, or turmeric for an extra flavor boost. 4. Mix the cooked quinoa with the sautéed vegetables. 5. Let it cool and transfer to a container with a lid. Tip: you can add other ingredients to this recipe, like shredded chicken, ground beef, or tofu, to vary your menu. This hearty and flavorful dish is a vegetarian's dream. Quinoa, a complete protein source, provides all 9 essential amino acids, along with fiber and iron. The sautéed vegetables offer a rainbow of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and well-being. Chickpeas contribute additional protein and fiber, promoting satiety and digestive health. This recipe is a delicious and nutritious way to enjoy a plant-based meal that will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. So, what do you think? See how easy it is to prepare healthy and delicious lunches to take to work or school? With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy nutritious and flavorful meals even with a busy schedule. Share this video with your friends who also need some practical ideas for eating healthier. Don't forget to subscribe to 1% Healthier and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try.